Yeah, so as you can see, the noon walk is cancelled. Raining too hard. But yeah, if this one wants to go to pee, my umbrella faithfully waiting. Neșlizi lulat, napait. Usually I have to go here and watch her so that she can go pee. So as you can see, the backyard is doing okay. Water is getting into the drain. Yeah, yesterday I also figured it out, but I don't know now. On the other side of the green fence, just there, there is a drain going towards us. But now I assume that the drain line goes then on the other side of the green fence towards the road and not to our drain on this side. But if this is the case, could explain why we have, you know, so much flooding when it's Hai Liza, grești lulat. Liza isn't sure. Liza isn't sure. Yeah. Păi, grești lulat. Oh yeah. I think that you can hear. So apparently on the south of Slovenia there were major, okay, are major floodings, rivers, you know, rivers are overflowing, but so far they didn't say anything happened, you know, regarding safety of the people. Unfortunately, in Rijeka, which is the Croatian coastal town on the Adriatic Sea, basically it's southwest of Ljubljana, there was a guy that died. So apparently in 2 hours today, they had in the morning, they had in 2 hours they had 140 liters of rain on a square meter, and basically, you know, Liza is trying to remove some water, the best water, the rainwater. Basically, you know, their city streets turned into rivers, basically. And one guy, for unknown reason, went outside. The force of the water was so powerful that he lost his footing. He got carried away by the flood. She was trying to catch her tail. He was basically flushed away by the water, and he got pinned under a parked car, or a vehicle, and he drowned because they couldn't pull him out, and he couldn't do it by himself. So yeah, unfortunately, I know, very strange way to die. So the police in Croatia have already, in Rijeka, they have already advised people, do not go outside if you don't have to. But yeah. But apparently if it will be like this for the whole day, it's okay. Basically every half an hour I check how the condition on the road are in front of the house. If Kaiti, Kai, a grești lulat, n-a lulat. No. Okay, she's going. It's a little bit less forceful than before. You don't actually can hear. N-a mă lulat. And now she will be just walking around. Lulat. she's going to drink some more water from her bucket. Okay, while I'm here, I can check if there is any mail. I don't see it, but let's take a closer look. As you can see, the roads are okay. No mail. Yeah, it shows that they had clearly unstuck, cleaned up the drain pipes, because usually, you know, here would be water and there would be water, basically, you know, huge puddles. But now everything is going okay. As you can see, no water here in front of our drain. Well, our drain, the closest drain. I see. And she's watching. Shall we go for a walk? No, we shall not. Are we expecting food delivery? No, we are not. So yeah. Here is also okay, as you can see. Well, puddles of water. But yeah, so far so good. You perhaps remember the previous time when we had a major downpour. Here was basically all flooded. But now it's okay. But yeah, in the previous two times when we were flooded, you know, there was so much water here that basically water came through this 10 centimeters barrier, and water went into the basement through the windows. Yeah, tuк je šla voda. Yeah. So yeah, Liza apparently is done with peeing or whatever. I think she didn't ever even go to pee. Greva notar, pridna. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully it will stay like this. Well, hopefully it will not get worse. That's the main point. So yeah, enough for now, and let's go back. I'm writing an article that I have to submit tomorrow, so a little bit on, you know, catching the deadline mood. So yeah, we'll be back shortly.